Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install work order templates with Jobber step by step clearly. To install work order templates with Jobber, start by logging into your Jobber account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section in the left-hand menu. In the settings menu, select templates under the customizations category. Here, you will see various template options. Click on the Work Orders tab to view the available work order templates. To create a new template, click on the New Template button. This will open the template editor. Select a layout for your work order from the available options. Customize the template by adding your business logo and branding colors. To add fields, click on the Add Field button and choose the necessary options. You can rearrange the fields by dragging and dropping them to your preferred order. Once you are satisfied with the layout and content, click on Save Template. After saving, you will be redirected to the templates list. To edit an existing template, simply click on the template name you wish to modify. Make your changes and remember to save after each modification. To set a template as the default, click on the star icon next to the preferred template. Now that your work order templates are set up, they will be available to use for future jobs. To apply a template to a new work order, go to the Jobs section and select New Work Order. Choose your newly created template from the drop-down menu. Fill in the necessary job details and save the work order. Your work order is now ready for use with the chosen template. Repeat these steps for any additional templates you wish to create. This process will streamline your workflow and maintain professionalism in your documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.